One of the top projects being built on Polkadot is KILT Protocol, a verifiable digital identity system. And the intention of its creators is to make the KILT Protocol a standard for identity verification in Web 3.0 applications, but not just in Polkadot, also on other networks. And we just added KILT Protocol at 40 cents to our portfolio, trading at 96% below its all-time high, which could generate more than 2000% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. The Web 3.0 is coming, and it's coming fast. But before the Web 3.0 will experience mass adoption, we need a fully decentralized, interoperable ecosystem transacting in a trustless and permissionless way. It is time to concentrate on Polkadot and Kusama as they are launching their Parachains right now. KILT Protocol is just another beautiful infrastructure dot that will improve the DeFi hub of Polkadot and its canary test network Kusama. Now, anyone who wants to be a part of the future of finance should participate in the Polkadot ecosystem, because financial history is in the making. Let the chaos begin, but just remember, my chaos has been nothing but profitable. It is with great conviction and hard work that I try to provide you top quality projects, currently all trading at 50 to 90% below all-time highs. So do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join our live streams so that you can become among the 1%. My name is Nico Arachi, and I'm the host of Crypto Never Sleeps. The live KILT price today is 40 cents on the dollar, and the current coin market cap ranking is number 649 with a live market cap of almost 20 million, almost nothing, trading at 96% below its all-time high, which was recorded on November the 25th, 2021, which could generate 2,355% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. So what is KILT? KILT is a decentralized blockchain identity protocol for issuing verifiable, revocable, and anonymous claims-based credentials in the Web 3.0. And KILT's mission is to return control over personal data to its owner, restoring privacy to the individual and enabling innovative business models around identity and credentials. KILT aims to achieve this by combining real-world trust with the benefits of blockchain technology. Developers, they can use KILT to create identifiers for people, machines, services, and anything that identities can be built on. So then you ask, why KILT? What makes it unique? Well, KILT is building a permissionless trust infrastructure for real-world business cases that help individuals and entities prove and protect their online identity. So by offering accreditation into the digital world where businesses, they can verify credentials and build trust, KILT is providing a base layer for verifiable credentials in the Web 3.0. Now also, I think this is important, in 2022 KILT launched several impactful partnerships, including with Germany's Ministry of Energy, in order to provide vital services demonstrating how blockchain can be used in a highly regulated industry. Originally launched on Kusama, KILT became the first parachain to migrate from Kusama to Polkadot in October 2022. Before we end, let's have a look at some future price predictions and see what the sentiment is like. And the first future price prediction comes from cryptopredictions.com, and they believe we're going to see a high in 2023 of 56 cents and $1.19 in 2025. Second price prediction comes from digitalcoinprice.com, and they're seeing a high in 2023 of 87 cents and $1.43 in 2025. Now before we end, I always like to give my 2 cents on the dollar. I actually think that the price predictions that we just heard or that I read, they are way too conservative. I actually think that in 2025, by October, we're going to see Bitcoin hitting its previous, or let's say its new all-time high, which I think could be 3 times bigger than the past all-time high that we saw in 2021, I'm sorry. And why am I saying that? Well, we all know that Bitcoin acts like, almost like an index. And when we're going to see more inflow into the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin will increase in value, but the top quality underlying altcoins, quality over quantity, are going to increase even more. And I believe that the Web 3.0, we need the infrastructure to be fully operational. And there are two things that we have not really paid attention to in the past cycle. That is decentralized storage, and it is decentralized identity on the blockchain. Therefore, I think KILT has huge opportunity, and there are not so many competitors. Remember, we used to focus a lot on DeFi coins. Now there are probably more than 2,000 DeFi protocols out there, but there are not many well-working, well-functioning identity protocols. Now, in case this video gave you any kind of value, do me a favor, hit like, smash, subscribe, and all them goodies. Please also come and join the live streams, and sometimes they're on, sometimes not. Anyway, stay strong, and I will see you soon.